Today, we are going to a pristine woodland river in the Pacific Northwest, to a lakeside log cabin, to catch my favorite food, fresh Canadian Pacific salmon, combined with vegetables. We are making a creamy, hearty, delicious, and super easy Canadian favorite, salmon chowder. I am Becker. Join me in another food adventure. Making salmon chowder couldn't be any easier. The main ingredients include potatoes, onion, celery, garlic, carrot, red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, and of course, the star of the show, fresh fillet of yummy salmon. Here's the complete list of ingredients. First, let's prepare all the vegetables. Peel and cut the carrot into small pieces. Do the same with the potatoes. Cut the celery stalks into small pieces, as well as the onion. Remove seeds from red bell pepper and cut into small pieces. Again, do the same for the yellow bell pepper. Then, mince 2 cloves of garlic finely. Now we shall prepare the salmon. Carefully remove skin. Cut the fish into cubes. We are ready to cook.
Liking this video is like giving us a hug. Share this video with a friend, leave a comment if you want to share your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And tap the notification bell, that way we can hang out more.
In a soup pan, melt butter over medium heat. Add onion, garlic, and celery. Sauté for 3 to 4 minutes until soft and fragrant. Pour in the stock and bring to boil. Add in the carrot and potatoes. Cook for 12 to 15 minutes until potatoes are tender. Add the bay leaf. Add the red and yellow bell pepper. Reduce the heat to low and add the dried thyme. Gently add in the salmon cubes. Stir in the milk, followed by the cream. Heat gently and careful not to boil. Simmer for 5 to 7 minutes until the salmon is just cooked through. You can season with salt and pepper at this point. Ladle chowder into a soup bowl. Sprinkle with a bit of paprika. Garnish with green onion and parsley. And there you have it, my dear friends. Hearty and filling Canadian salmon chowder. I'm so happy to share this recipe with you. See you again next week.
If you enjoy this channel, consider supporting us. Donate at Buy Me a Coffee today. Thank you very much.
There are more plushy videos to watch and enjoy. Just click here. Thank you.